Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to use dual camera on Instagram Reels. So to use the dual camera on Instagram Reels, open the Reels camera. So hit the plus button or create button in the top left and switch to Reel and press the camera reel. Inside, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find in the side left menu, dual button, okay? And just press it. This activates both your front and back camera simultaneously, allowing you to record your reactions and surroundings at the same time. So for some people, this feature might not be available, like me, but if you updated your Instagram to the latest version, then you possibly can have access or you can get your hands on this feature. And at the same time, it's limited. So some regions might access the dual camera feature, but some don't. And in my case, apparently I can't. But in your case, you're gonna find the dual camera here on the left side menu. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Until next time.